Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your MacBook lock screen picture. This is a really easy process, and it's a great way to personalize your Mac. So, to get started, you'll need to open up System Preferences. You can do this by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Preferences from the drop-down menu. You will see that on your settings you will have an option called Lock Screen. If you check this section, you will see that you cannot change any image on this section. Please note that you cannot have a different lock screen picture and a different image from your desktop. But how can you change the MacBook lock screen picture? Once you're in System Preferences, you'll need to click on the Wallpaper icon. This will open up a new window with a bunch of different settings for your desktop. At the top of these windows, you will have the screens connected to your device. I have a laptop screen and also a monitor. You will have a list of all the different images that you can use as your desktop background and also as a lock screen picture. The first part of the images is the dynamic wallpapers. What are dynamic wallpapers? Dynamic wallpaper is a feature on macOS Mojave and later that allows you to set a wallpaper that changes automatically throughout the day. The wallpaper changes based on the time of day, so you can have a different wallpaper for sunrise, sunset, and the hours in between. Dynamic wallpapers are created by using a series of images that are taken at different times of the day. These images are then stitched together to create a single wallpaper that changes seamlessly. There are a few different dynamic wallpapers that are included with macOS Mojave. You can also find dynamic wallpapers from third-party developers. On the second row, you will see a list of pictures that you can use as a static image. On the third row, there is a list of colors that you can use for your desktop and lock screen. You can click on the plus icon to select a new color for your desktop. On the last buttons from this page, you can add images from a folder or photo album from your photos. But what is the easiest way to add a single image or a couple of images without showing by mistake any images that you do not want to? The easiest way to do this is by using a folder. Enter on the Finder and create a folder where you want to. I will add a folder to the Documents folder. Right-click the folder and click New Folder. Write what name you want. After that, double-click the folder name to enter into it. Now copy the image you want to appear on the lock screen on this folder. I will just copy some images from the internet. I will just copy from the download folder the images that I saved into the wallpaper folder. So I will select the images from the download folder, right-click it and select Copy. Now I will go to the folder I created and right-click it and select Paste. The files have been saved in this folder. Let's go back to the wallpaper settings. Now tap on Add Folder. Select the folder wallpaper, or how you named it, and click Choose. You will see now the list of images in that folder. You will have the possibility to select a static image or click on Auto Rotate and use all images from that folder. You can choose what you want. After you selected an image from here, your screen lock image will be also changed. Your new lock screen picture will be displayed immediately. That's all there is to it. Changing your MacBook lock screen picture is a really easy process, and it's a great way to personalize your Mac. So, go ahead and give it a try. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.